Machines and equipment for making Turkish Delight Lokum. Making Turkish Delight requires patience and skill, but with the right machines, the process becomes much easier and more efficient. In the old days, lokum was stirred for hours in large copper pots, but now modern equipment takes the hard work out of the process. Here are the essential machines and tools for making Turkish Delight. 1. Lokum cooking kettle. Vacuum or regular kettle. The Lokum kettle is the heart of any Turkish Delight production setup. Gas or electric heating. In the past, lokum was cooked over open flames with constant attention, but now gas and electric kettles allow for more controlled cooking. No more burning, just perfect lokum. Automatic stir. Stirring lokum by hand used to be a serious arm workout, but thanks to automatic stirrers, the mixture stays smooth and even without breaking a sweat. Vacuum models. These help water evaporate at lower temperatures, making the cooking process faster while keeping the texture just right. 2. Large spatula lokum mixing paddle. Getting lokum out of the kettle and shaping it before it sets is no easy task, so a big spatula is a must. Made from stainless steel or wood. Perfect for handling thick lokum mixtures. Still popular among traditional artisans, though less common in industrial production. 3. Lokum cutting machine. If you try to cut lokum by eye, you'll end up with pieces that are either too tiny or way too big. That's where a cutting machine saves the day. Available in manual or automatic models, equipped with stainless steel blades for precise, uniform cuts. Some machines even sprinkle starch or powdered sugar during cutting to prevent sticking. 4. Lokum resting trays. Patience is key. Lokum needs time to rest and set before it's ready to serve. Made from stainless steel or special coated materials. In large-scale production, trays are stacked on special racks to organize the resting process. Sugar and flavor mixing tanks. You can't start making lokum without properly dissolving sugar, starch, and water, equipped with motorized stirrers to ensure a perfectly smooth mixture. If the ingredients aren't mixed well, the lokum can turn out too hard, so this machine is a real lifesaver. 6. Powdered sugar and starch sifting machine. Nobody likes sticky Turkish Delight. That's why a thin layer of powdered sugar or starch is added to coat each piece. These machines evenly distribute starch or powdered sugar to keep lokum from sticking together. 7. Lokum packaging machine. Once the lokum is cut and ready, it needs to be packaged properly to stay fresh. Available in manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic versions. Vacuum-sealed packaging. Additional package keeps the lokum fresh and looking great. 8. Specialty lokum machines, coating and filling machines. Some lokum varieties aren't just coated in sugar. They're filled with nuts, fruit, or even chocolate. That's where these machines come in. Chocolate coating machine gives lokum a smooth, delicious chocolate layer. Nut or coconut coating machine rolls lokum in finely chopped nuts or coconut flakes. Filling machines, perfect for adding pistachio, chocolate, or fruit fillings inside the lokum. Conclusion. Making Turkish Delight is much easier with the right machines. While traditional methods still have their place, large-scale production relies on modern equipment to increase efficiency and maintain quality. These machines allow artisans to produce more lokum without getting exhausted, resulting in delicious treats and happy customers. How to make Turkish Delight? From tradition to modern production. Turkish Delight, lokum, is one of the most famous sweets in Turkish cuisine, dating back to the Ottoman era. With its soft texture, delicate sweetness, and a variety of flavors, it's a treat loved by many. But how is this unique confection made? Let's explore the key steps, different types of lokum, and how you can make it at home. 1. Essential ingredients and steps for making Turkish Delight. Making lokum may seem simple, but achieving the perfect consistency requires skill. Here are the essential ingredients and steps involved. Ingredients: sugar, the primary sweetener and flavor base. Water, used to dissolve the sugar and create the mixture. Cornstarch gives lokum its signature chewy texture. Citric acid or cream of tartar prevents sugar crystallization and ensures smooth texture. Flavorings: rosewater, vanilla, lemon, cocoa, pistachio, chocolate, etc. Powdered sugar and cornstarch mix for coating to prevent sticking. Steps to make Turkish Delight. 1. Dissolving sugar. Water and sugar are heated in a large pot until the sugar dissolves completely. 2. Adding citric acid. This prevents crystallization and ensures a smooth texture. 3. Incorporating cornstarch. Cornstarch is dissolved in a small amount of water before being slowly added to the boiling sugar mixture. Continuous stirring is necessary to prevent lumps. 4. Thickening the mixture. The mixture is cooked for about 1 to 2 hours until it reaches a thick, stretchy consistency. 5. Adding flavors. Rose water, vanilla, lemon, or other flavors are mixed in. 6. Pouring, and resting. The thickened mixture is poured into a tray dusted with cornstarch and left to set at room temperature. 7. Cutting and coating. Once set, the locum is cut into cubes and dusted with a powdered sugar cornstarch mixture to prevent sticking. 8. Packaging. The finished locum is packed in airtight containers to maintain freshness. 2. Types of Turkish Delight. Turkish Delight comes in many varieties. Here are some of the most popular ones. Classic Turkish Delight, rose-flavored locum, made with rose water, a traditional favorite. Plain locum, flavored with vanilla or lemon, offering a simple yet delicious taste. Nut-infused locum. Pistachio locum contains or is coated with crushed pistachios. Walnut locum features pieces of walnut for a rich, nutty taste. Hazelnut locum, enriched with crunchy hazelnuts. Coated Turkish Delight, coconut-coated locum, covered in shredded coconut for a tropical twist. Cocoa-coated locum, perfect for chocolate lovers, infused with cocoa flavor. Stuffed and specialty locum, fruit-filled locum, infused with raspberry, orange, cherry, or other fruit flavors. Chocolate-filled locum, a delightful combination of locum with a creamy chocolate filling. Honey locum, naturally sweetened with honey for a softer, richer taste. 3. How to make Turkish Delight at home? You don't need a factory to make Turkish Delight. Here's a simple homemade recipe. Ingredients for homemade locum: 3 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup water, ½ teaspoon citric acid or lemon juice, 1 cup cornstarch, ½ teaspoon rose water or any preferred flavoring, powdered sugar and cornstarch mix for coating. Steps for making Turkish Delight at home. 1. Dissolve sugar. Combine sugar and water in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Add citric acid or lemon juice. 2. Prepare the starch mixture. Dissolve cornstarch in a small amount of water. 3. Combine the mixtures. Slowly add the cornstarch mixture to the boiling sugar syrup while stirring continuously. 4. Thicken the mixture. Cook for about 45 to 60 minutes until the mixture becomes thick and elastic. 5. Add flavoring. Remove from heat and mix in rose water or other flavoring. 6. Pour into a tray. Transfer the mixture into a cornstarch dusted pan and let it rest for at least 4 hours at room temperature. 7. Cut and coat. Once set, cut the locum into cubes and coat them with a mix of powdered sugar and cornstarch. 8. Serve and store. Store in an airtight container to maintain freshness. Conclusion: Turkish Delight is a timeless treat, cherished for centuries. While large-scale production requires industrial machines, homemade locum can be just as delicious with the right ingredients and techniques. Whether you prefer the classic rose-flavored locum, pistachio-studded varieties, or chocolate-filled versions, there's a Turkish Delight for everyone. Follow the steps above to try making your own and enjoy a taste of this iconic confection. Enjoy your homemade Turkish Delight.